Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading only newspaper article. This is our today article. Soldier killed in anti-terror operation in Chenab Valley. Military personnel in action during the operation in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday. Special arrangement. The Hindu Bureau, Srinagar. One soldier was killed in a major anti-terror operation by security forces against a group of terrorists hiding in the Chenab Valley, Kishtwar district on Thursday. An army spokesperson said that security forces launched Operation Trashi on Thursday morning and established contact with terrorists during a joint operation with the Jammu and Kashmir police at Kishtwar Chatru. Officials said that security forces and hidden terrorists had exchanged a heavy volley of bullets. The army said that additional troops were inducted. The operation was carried on all day to neutralize the terrorists. During the ongoing operation, a fierce gunfight is continuing. One of our brave hearts sustained grievous injury in the exchange of fire and has succumbed despite best medical effort, the army said. Terrorists in hiding. Two of three terrorists are believed to be hiding in the Reg mountain area of Chatru, officials said. The anti-terror operations cover a large forest area between Sheri and Mandral Dhok area. There was a sudden uptick in attack and encounter between the security forces and terrorists who were well trained in jungle warfare in 2024, according to the official data. Five deaths were reported in Kishtwar in 2024. Two village defense guard (VDDS) and the security forces personnel were killed in heightened militant attack in Kishtwar in 2024. In April this year, three terrorists were killed at Naidgam in Chatru. Trifling image. This is the image. String delicacy. Special Mewati Semia vermicelli being tried at a home in New Haryana on Thursday. This is our daily English practice session. Know your English. K. Subramaniam S. Upendra. Hey, why did not you show up yesterday? Actually, I was on my way here when I ran into Goff's cousin from America. He asked, "So you have finally met the ABCD? Have you? ABCD? What are you talking about? ABCD? That's what Indians call their fellow Indians who were born in America. It stands for American born. Confused." Desi, a confused Desi, but what are they confused about? Well, the to be American or Indian, I suppose you have a point there. Anyway, this guy, Shekhar Gop's cousin, he is really nice. In fact, he has even invited me to lunch. Really? Yeah. I was surprised too. Yesterday was the first day I meet him. We are talked for only 5 minutes when he said, "Let's do lunch sometime," and left. Is that what he said? You can forget lunch? What do you mean? Americans tend to use the expression let's do lunch sometime as a way of ending a conversation. You mean it's like saying see you later? Yes, in a sense that's what I mean. Shekhar has no intention of taking you to lunch. What's not fair? That's not fair. Now I have put off all my plans. Put off all or call off. What is the difference? Well, when you put off something, you postpone it. For example, the picnic was put off because of the rain. The student put off doing their homework because they wanted to watch the Olympics on TV. That's a good example. The exam were put off because of the band. I think I understand what put off means. What does call off means? When you call off something, you cancel it. For example, the minister called off the meeting because he was feeling tired. The wedding had to be called off because the bride ran away. I am sure that's what is going to happen on the day of for wedding. The bride is going to run away. No sensible girl is going to run away from me. On the contrary, only a sensible girl will run away from you. Okay, okay, let's not get too personal. What happened to all your furniture? Why is there so furniture? furniture around. How many times do I have to tell you furniture is an accountable noun? You cannot use few with it. You have to use little. I know, I just keep forgetting, that's all. Why is there so little furniture? My friend is having a party, so he is borrowed most of my furniture. What's the occasion? His cousin from England has come and he is bbcd bbcd, a British born confused. This see published in the Hindu on August 13, 1996. This is our daily quiz. This is our daily quiz. Here is a quiz on a nuclear science, fusion, and the key event. Maneswini Vijay Kumar made this dot. The dash and the dash method are both used to generate supercriticality in a process known as nuclear fusion. Fill in the blank. Hint: the question is about the process, not the weapon. Question number two. Dash was a program in the USA to develop and use explosive for peaceful purpose. The first nuclear test under this was called Genome. Fill in the blank. Question number three. When a nuclear weapon explodes, one of the effort is called the electromagnetic pulse. Gamma radiation collides with air molecules to produce a shower of high energy electronics. This was the first observed in 1962 during the Starfish Prime high altitude dash. This effect is called the dash. Question number 4. At present, there are two ways to create a nuclear bomb. One is by fission, the other by a fusion combination reaction. The only way to create a purely fission nuclear bomb is to use naturally occurring isotopes that exist in an elevated energy state. These isotopes are called dash. Question number 5. During the Cold War in 1995, a document was released in London by two well-known scientists, Nobel laureate in literature and physics, respectively, on the devastating potential of nuclear weaponry. This was called the dash dash manifesto. Fill in the blank. Visual culture. In 1954, the Soviet facility became the world's most nuclear power plant to generate electricity for a power grid about 5 megawatt. Name it. Question answer to the previous day with daily quiz answer. Name the person who coined the biological diversity and the year it was coined was Walter G. Rosen 1985. Name the multilateral treaty that operates under the framework of the UN Convention on Biology. Answer is Convention on Biology. Approximately how many species on Earth have been discovered? 1.2, 1.5 million approximately. The closer a region is to X, the more the biodiversity, the equator, the dash and the ocean have the more diverse marine ecosystem, Western Pacific and Indian. The simplest way to measure biodiversity is what answer specify, which is what are the regions that are the more biologically rich, which country has the most the reason answer biodiversity hotspot Brazil. Species that are unique to a certain geographic area are termed endemic species. Visible. This man creative with coming up with the simplest way to measure biodiversity and Alexander von Humboldt. Early bird who gave the answer is this. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.